Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Honor Magic 8 RSR Porsche Edition. Now, you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is $1,500. All right, so let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, here it is. The one we've been waiting for, the Honor Magic 8 RSR Porsche Edition. Now, you can buy this one from Giztop, the Chinese version, for $1,400, or you can go on eBay or your favorite website and find the global version for around $1,500. Now, this one comes in two different colors. You got gray and purple. Now, as far as the specs, they're identical to the Magic 8, except for one key difference. This one has 24 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. All right, here we go. Birdman hands rubbing together. If y'all watch my channel, y'all know every year I love to unbox this phone. This is one of my favorite phones, the RSR Porsche Edition. Now, this is last year's Magic 7 RSR Porsche Edition, and I absolutely love this phone. Y'all see my Phone of the Year awards? You already know. Here we go. Now, look at this presentation. This is luxury right here. This is the RSR Porsche Edition. Let's grab a little unboxing knife. What we got today? We got to get something fancy. Let's get the ProTech. Woo! Okay, here it is. Now, let's do this nice and slim. Okay. And we got to enjoy this. Enjoy this one. Okay. The Honor Magic 8 RSR Porsche Edition. All right, Shoes, get a good whiff of that. Okay. And let's get busy. Now, let me put this ProTech away. Here it is. Now, let's see. As far as the unboxing experience, let's take a look at this. Porsche design. Okay. Beautiful. Simple and clean. Now, a little sleeve right here. Look at this. Okay. Porsche design. Now, do y'all say Porsche or Porsche? It's really supposed to be Porsche, but I just say Porsche, but y'all know what it is. Porsche design. Magic RSR. Let's see. Open this up. Okay. If you analyze the function of an object, its form often becomes obvious. Okay. Professor F.A. Porsche, designer of the 911 and founder of Porsche Design. Now, if y'all watch my channel, I've been buying these Porsche phones ever since they used to come out on Huawei. Now they're on Honor, even better. Okay, here it is. Inside, this is going to be your device. Let's get and take a look at this. Woo! Okay, hold on. Let's get a little sticker right here on the back. Woo! Look at this. Now, they went with the glossy finish on the back. Beautiful. 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 Okay, let's see what else you get. Calm down, Floss. Calm down. Okay. Now, inside, this is going to be your Porsche Design case. Let's see. Nice texture on this. Okay. Beautiful. Let's kind of slap this on and see what it looks like. There it is. Bang. The Porsche Design. Okay. Now, of course, you're going to get your charging cable. This is USB-A to USB Type-C. Nice braided cable on this. You get your charging brick. Let's go ahead and take this out. Charging brick. Okay. 120 watt fast charging brick in the box. Hold up. Samsung, Google, Apple, nothing. Motorola, Sony. Fucking Sony. The charger in the box. 120 watt fast charging brick. Let's get and leave that right there. And let's see what this is. Okay. Now this looks like SIM ejection tool. Let's see. Or is that? Usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Okay, let's see. Okay, usual books and shit. And again, this is your SIM ejection tool right there. Porsche Design. Okay, beautiful presentation. Beautiful. Let's get and put this back. Because I like to save these boxes. Okay, I usually don't sell these phones, but it is what it is. And here it is. Now, let's take this case off one more time. Okay, little filler in the case. Let's look at this. Honor Porsche Design. Now, real quick, where's last year's version? Look at last year's version. Now, let me take this case off, which I need to see last year's version. Now, last year's version Look at this. With the matte finish on this, timeless beauty right here. Last year's version, I can still rock this today with pride. With pride. I'm getting ready to go to Barcelona in a couple of weeks. I'm bringing this phone with me in my pocket. And I'm bringing this phone too. Now look at the glossiness. Now, which one y'all like better? The 7 or the 8? I like the hexagonal shaped camera. Okay, but this one looks very unique. Again, identical specs to the 8 Pro. So you already know, top of the line camera, top of the line speakers, top of the line battery. Crazy. Now let's go ahead and power this up. And we'll take a look at this. Let's get the first boot up. Here it is. Okay, Android, of course. Let's see the screen. Y'all see the biometrics. You already know, dual cameras on the front, 3D time of flight. You already know them biometrics is insane. Let's see, Magic OS. And there it is. Now, this is the global version. All right, so let me take a minute and set this up, and then we'll just breeze through the OS. But just now, fresh out of the box, ooh, I am loving this already. Okay, talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, like I said, I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. I already did a full review for the Honor Magic 8 Pro. I'll leave a link for that right here. It's the same exact phone, but the RSR has more storage and more RAM. Now, real quick, look how beautiful this is. Now, like I said, it comes in purple and gray. This is the purple color, the color that I choose every year. Look at the back. Glossy finish. You see it's kind of raised up a little bit. Beautiful design. It says Honor Porsche design. On one side, you got your power button, volume rocker. You got that dedicated camera button. Okay. On the other side, nice and clean. SIM tray, USB Type-C charging slot, IR blaster, speaker grill, and check this out. The best biometrics in the game. Okay, now I'm saying it right now. Honor has the best biometrics in the game, and that's because of the dual front-facing cameras. Look how fast that is. Now, I'm not going to look at it. As soon as I glance over, bang. I'm looking at it, bang. Looking at it, bang. Not going to look at it. Let me look over, bang. Excellent biometrics. Again, the best in the game. Fingerprint sensor, same thing. Look how beautiful this device is. Now, y'all know the camera on this phone. Let's go to photos real quick. Let me show y'all something real quick. Let me show y'all some of the photos that I took. Watch this. Y'all know the zoom test? Okay. This is from the Magic 8. Look at that. This is the definition of passing the zoom test. Now, y'all know, for the zoom test, I stand all the way down the block from that school. I try to zoom in at that little sign. You can't even see it. See that little sign right there? And then bang, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. And let me show you something real quick. We go to settings. Let's just go to about. And as you can see for yourself, 7,200 milliamp battery. Okay. 24 gigs of RAM. LPDDR5X. Okay. Crazy. 1 terabyte of storage. This is the big boy right here. This is the big boy. I love this phone so much. Look how smooth this is. Okay, all of my Android widgets. Everything works. Oh, the speakers. The speakers on this is crazy. Okay. All of my widgets, everything works. Look at that. Let's do a quick, go to Instagram. Okay, so to make sure, no family show moment. Family show. Look at that. Nice and smooth. This phone right here. Oh my God. I love this so much. Look at that. The dynamic island on the top. But the biometrics, man. The biometrics just kill me with these Honor phones. Look at this. Look at that. This is the 8 Pro. Same thing if I pull up RSR. Look at that. The 7. Just look at it. Oh my God. Now, which one do y'all like better? Personally, I'm going to keep it a buck. This is one time I like last year's version better. I like the matte feel on the 7 as opposed to the glossy one. Now with the pink glossy, the purple kind of looks pinkish a little bit, but with the purple, you're not going to see too many fingerprints. Now I've seen people with the gray version. The gray version is a fingerprint magnet, okay? But look at this. compared to the matte. I kind of like the matte with the hexagonal shape. Bro, if you could get an RSR 7 from last year, I advise you to jump on this because this is still an absolute beast right here. Let's go to settings real quick. Look at this. This is the Snapdragon 8 Elite, 24 gigs of RAM, okay? Same big boy status on this. And people saying, oh, do you get updates with these? Come on, bro. Do you get updates? I haven't used this one, but do you get updates? Yes. Yes, now this is Magic 9. Let's see what software we up to with this. I believe this is Magic 10. Let's go to about. Yeah, Magic 10. We're on Magic 10. So there's going to be another update coming for the last year's version. But overall, fresh out of the box. Let's get the case one more time. Look at that case. Drop the case on. When y'all see me in Spain in a couple of weeks, this is going to be in my pocket. I guarantee you, okay? I guarantee you when you see me, this is going to be in my pocket. Of course, you got the IR blaster, okay? Sony TV already set up. Oh, this is just too dope. This is too dope right here. Woo! Look at that. Now, let's see. Last year's version with the case. I'll say it one more time. Anyway, shout out to Magic. Shout out to Honor. I said Magic. Shout out to Honor. First of all, did y'all see the Honor Win 10,000 milliamp battery? I had this phone on for 4 days straight with a built-in fan. Crazy. Crazy. The Honor 500 Pro. Arguably one of the best phones you're going to see this year for under $600. We got the V5, okay, the V5 Fold. Now, I'm not going to really talk too much about this one because we got the V6 coming in a couple of weeks, but Honor is killing the game. But as of right now, okay, the Magic 8 and the RSR, okay, Porsche edition of the Magic 8 Pro, these phones right here are insane. Now, everybody been asking me to do the 8 Air, the Magic 8 Air. I'm going to get into that one too. Okay, I'm going to get into that one too. But this right here, the Porsche design. Let me take off that case one more time. Look closely at the case. You see it kind of has the same design. Ooh, there's that hexagonal shape. Let me see. Because look, of course, you got to keep. Even last year's case to me is better. Last year's case is a little bit better because this has the soft feel in this. Little line on the bottom. Yeah, last year's version, bro. Go out and get last year's version. This is one time I'm telling y'all last year's version, but look at the new one. Hexagonal shape. Okay. Beautiful. 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 Now look at this. Look at this. Look at the biometrics. I'm going to do them at the same time. Look at that. I'm going to look away. Let me look over. Bro, you got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. That's the kind of things that I like. Let me see. Now, I got to set up my AI button, but we got the camera right here. We can use it for AI. We can also set up for camera if you go to settings, right? And you go to your, where is it? Yo-yo. Okay. The AI button. Okay, so for my AI button for short press, I like to just have a bunch of cameras. Double press. Okay, camera, short press, camera, and long press. I like to have camera, okay? Since this is the Chinese version, you're not going to get the AI stuff anyway. Might as well just get the camera, okay? And look at that. And you already know about this camera right here. You know about this camera. Anyway, this is the Honor Magic 8 RSR Porsche Edition. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. But again, if you want to see the full review where I show y'all all of this cool stuff like parallel space. Now, look, see, let me use my fingerprint. Parallel space for your thought protection. Okay, you got that. You got an IR blaster. You got everything on this phone. The speakers, bro, I'm telling you, the speakers on this phone, man, bro. Ooh, do you hear those speakers? Bro, the speakers on this phone, the display. Honor is killing the game in 2026. Anyway, Honor Magic 8 RSR Porsche Edition, Magic 7 RSR Porsche Edition, two of my favorite phones. If you watch my Phone of the Year awards, this right here, this was one of my favorite phones of the year. I got the award for that. This year is going to be the same, okay? Oh, this is crazy. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes, picture me rolling. It's your boy Flossy now. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.